Moses climbed Mount Nebo from Moab to Pisgah, where the Lord showed him the entire land from Gilead to Dan, all of Naphtali, Ephraim and Manasseh, Judah, the Negev, and the entire region from the valley of Jericho to the city of palms. The Lord promised this land to Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob, but Moses refused to cross over. Moses died in Moab, and his grave is unknown. The Israelites mourned for Moses for 30 days, but Joshua, son of Nun, was filled with wisdom after Moses had laid his hands on him. The Israelites listened to Moses and followed his commandments. Moses was the first prophet to rise in Israel, known to the Lord face to face, performing the signs and wonders the Lord sent him to do in Egypt. No one has ever shown the mighty power or performed the awesome deeds that Moses did in the sight of all Israel.